Good morning, everybody. We're going to be having another trading session. Welcome, everyone. I know you guys are waiting what's going to happen today. This is Jerry again, and we're going to be trading forex. I hope we're going to be having a profitable day. Now, at the very beginning, I have to show you. I'm obligated to show you the risk disclaimer. So just read it carefully. Be aware that you are, if you are trading, if you're watching us, we're not giving any advice, financial advice. We're not the financial advisors, and you're trading on your own risk, same as we do here. All right, so I'm gonna see you in a few minutes or a few seconds. Okay, I'm back, and we'll see what is happening on the market, on the forex market today. As a matter of fact, those who are watching us, all our episodes, I can just remind you that we are trading live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday here from Toronto, Canada. And those who are watching, you know that we are doing the technical analysis here, and we are based on Forex Pro Analytics, fantastic software, which is pretty much the only tool that I can use. I've been trying to use different tools, but this one is the most efficient, and actually that's giving me a confidence and peace of mind that at least I know what I'm doing. I've been trading forex for a couple of years, not a veteran in this business, but I'm I'm doing this for fun, for a little money, and I like it. And anytime I win $100, $200, I'm pretty happy, and that's pretty much my goal for every day of trading. Now, as far as you see what I see, the market is kind of slow today. The market is kind of slow. We have only the movement on Japanese yen and Canadian dollar, and that's probably the pair that we can concentrate on. The US dollar was pretty strong yesterday. As you know, there was a big news, and we've been watching the interest rate hike that is driving the dollar. I'm sorry about it. Too much coffee. So it was driving the dollar, US dollar up. Now, what I'm doing is trying to prepare myself for the good uh, position and moment to enter. And the way I see it is the Japanese yen and CAD, Canadian dollar, is probably the only pair that we see right now that we can do something. All the rest, on 1 minute, we see a little bit of GBP, but that is not really an indicator for us uh, to be based on. Okay, the yen, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, Canadian dollar, a little bit here, the red arrows. What I'm observing is pretty much the arrows, because these ones, the arrows are showing me the strength or the weaknesses of each currency. And what I'm trying to find is the best one to pair. And if I'm going to be pairing the strong one with the weak one, I'm pretty sure there is some movement between them. So that's what I'm doing right now. In meantime, let's see what the economic calendar is going to show us. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's take just high importance. High importance. Today is Thursday, so we've got already some news, and we are waiting for the only news from Canada, the strong news. Now, those who are interested in the global economy, what is happening, they're following the news. They know that there is a pretty strong influence on the currencies of each country. So, Swiss interest rate, Swiss franc interest rate decision, there's no difference. Minus 75%, 0.75, sorry. So which is pretty low anyway, but no changes. Okay, and this news was at night, our time, so there must have been some movement at night. British pound retail sale anticipated, more or less. That's what it is. A little bit better than it was previously posted. The interest rate decision in Great Britain also, the 25.25%, which is again not giving any, there's no difference, not giving any, probably was some movement when the interest rate decision was being announced, but not now. I'm not analyzing all the news. It's more like, seeing what is happening. This is kind of important for the US dollar. 8:30, we had a news, which is the Federal Reserve Manufacturing Index rate, relative level of general business conditions. The higher than expected reading should be taken as positive bullish for US, while the lower should be taken as negative bearish. Okay, so this news was announced at 8:30 our time, and must have had some impact on the US dollar, but we're waiting. It's 9:20. Oh, sorry, 9:12, and we're waiting for the situation. What's happening right now? Bank of Canada, the governor Stephen Poloz is going to give a speech. The future monetary policy. Okay, so that's important. That's going to be 11:15. We still have time. Like I'm trading short, quick trades, like a minute, 2 minute, or I'm getting in, getting out. So my trades are very short. So as far as the news, I have to watch the news because that may change my analysis. But for now, it seems to be like, except for the Canadian news, all of the other news have been posted. Okay, so let's see what the market is showing again. So Canada, Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen. Okay, let's see what's happening here. It's going up and down, it's going up and down, and that's not a good sign for me. When I see the trends, I should see kind of a stronger trend. Like this trend was stronger, not even 15 minutes ago, maybe a little bit. Oh yeah, now we can see. Oh yeah, it was a lot stronger 15 minutes ago. Not 15 minutes, intervals of 15 minutes. Okay, so that must have been an hour, 2 hours. So now it's kind of flat, so it's hard to make a wise decision. What to do. Yeah, it's going up and down. I'm based on these red arrows and the blue arrows, and all I need is the distance between our gold line. We call the gold lines, like which is my indication where the currency should eventually get into. But right now, seeing this every minute, it's not easy for me to make a decision. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of a movement here. So let's see what's happening. Again, it's flat. So we need to the prep work, the preparation is the most important thing for me. Now, whatever I see here and you see on your screens, it's delayed. It's delayed about 30 to 45 seconds because of the streaming, the live streaming. So if we do the trades, okay, it already happened, on your platform. So again, that was one of the questions that I had, from our viewers. Like it's live, but it's not exactly the same time. Okay, so just consider this. Okay, Japanese yen. Okay, let's wait till we're gonna have a little bit of a stronger trends in some of the currencies. All right. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Hello again. Okay, we might have a little bit of a some movement. Slowly, our fish is moving. I know there is more and more of you guys watching us. We're getting emails, questions. If we need some improvement, let us know because this is a TV studio, forex trading room.tv, but might not be too professional. So certain things could be improved, but what we are concentrating on is obviously on trading forex and making money here, and that's the goal. Now, seeing the map, seeing forex pro analytics again, like GBP, Swiss franc, see Japanese yen. That was a weak uptrend. Now it's a weak downtrend. Canadian dollar is the only currency that I see kind of holding on. It's not good for the Canadians because the CAD is losing ground, but it's good for us for now to pair with some other pairs. But maybe GBP in a few minutes will grow a little stronger. The US dollar, that was a big movement yesterday against the Canadian dollar, and that was some of you guys might have been making tons of money. Like I'm trying to not to trade on the news, on the strong news, because it's unpredictable. So you can win big bucks, you can lose big bucks at the same time within 2 minutes. So I'm scalping here. I'm trading pretty quickly. So some of the I prefer like the market, which is that I can analyze, not market that it's unpredictable. And again, like what can I say? Like there isn't that much. That's my map. That's how I start trading every day and seeing what's happening. I still have to wait. So probably be patient and let's see what's gonna happen. See British pound. Okay, so maybe this one. I wouldn't jump into a position too quickly because something sometimes it's promising, but in a minute it could be strong. I need like 5-15 minutes to see what's building up. Okay, CAD is and Japanese yen goes the other way. Okay, we have no choice. We have to wait. We have to wait. I have to wait. It's up to you. You can trade. You probably are trading already. Some of you are eager to make quick money, get a few pips here and there, and nothing for me yet. That's how I feel. All right. Okay, I'll see you in a while. Okay. See the blue arrow. So it's probably the time, maybe this time, to get a little bit of a different direction. Okay. Buy. Oops. Now I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna go long with GBP USD, hoping that this was the bottom line for me. All right, it's gonna take a while, that's for sure. Might be bouncing up and down, but I strongly believe it's gonna go up. It would let us make some money. Funny, because that's exactly what happened. The other way around. Okay, now I have to be patient. And we have to wait. We got nothing else to do. We're in the position. Hello, I'm back, and as I mentioned before, there isn't that much we can do. We have to pretty much wait, and wait, and wait. The market today was slow. It was steady, but it was slow. Now what I see is like, I can probably catch a little bit if it goes my direction. As I said, what comes down must go up. What goes up must come down. But and I'm not expecting a lot of money because as you see, it's bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, and it's not giving me uh, a lot of money right away. I hope it's going to be still okay. And patience is one of the important points because we might be observing the market and not doing much, or we might be just trying to catch a little bit. Okay, I was taking this decision, seeing that I can get in the position. Maybe I got into the position too quickly, but I was again based on the forex pro analytics. That was the arrow, the blue arrow that showed me to like give me the confidence, and I went. And right now, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. I hope we're gonna catch whatever, 30, 40, maybe $50, and that'll be a kind of a long trading. But right now, again, patience, 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 patience. Okay, I'll let you watch. And I'm watching too. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. back, and as you see, it's a head and shoulder market, up and down, up and down. I don't think I'm gonna make a lot of money today. I still have to wait, but after 11, the market is usually getting very quiet. Today wasn't the easiest day. Make a decision. I could have made different decisions, but I was hoping like this is gonna go well. My direction. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be bouncing up and down, up and down. So probably if I catch the right moment, I'll get out of it. But that's how it is. That's the name of the game. You know, sometimes you have a better chance to make money. Sometimes you have a situation that you won't make that much, or you just go flat. And as I'm saying, I still wait a bit, but usually I don't wait that long till 11, 11:30, because otherwise uh, there isn't so much action. Okay, so let's see. Let's say and wait another few minutes and see what we can do. Right now, it's bouncing up and up, bouncing up, down. All right. Okay. As you see, the arrows are up and down. So, and we're getting so close to our goal line, which is, I was hoping, to make some money, but uh, the market is very flat. So, I don't think today is the day for big bucks, but there is another day. There is always tomorrow. You can trade forex market every day except for the weekends and make some money. I like the early morning action. It wasn't the best one for me today, but that's how it is. That's the name of the game. Yeah, it's pretty flat. Not much, not much movement. Up and down, and everything is around the support line. So investors are not getting out of it, just bouncing up and down. Anyway, I'll still keep it for a while. I'd like to get, obviously, I'd like to at least get even, but it seems to be like, getting more difficult because this is my magnet. That's where I was going to go, and I eventually will cross it. But magnet, as you see, is getting closer to the uh, to the pivot, to the support. Sorry, to the support line. Okay, so I'll let you watch another few minutes, and then we'll see. We'll see what we can do. Patience is also important. We get to be patient because sometimes if there is not much happening, there isn't much we can do. Say the US in a minute, GBP is totally flat, not much happening. NSD, and New Zealand dollar might get a little strength, but again, just one arrow, and this time it's probably not enough. And okay, so we're sitting on this. It's pretty flat, as you see, like, within last 15 minutes, half an hour, there isn't much we would be able to do. Okay. Very flat. Very flat. Minute to a minute. We get ups and downs. I'm waiting for a little up for me. Get to the point that it's not going to be my satisfaction, but it's pretty much my day off. I mean, yeah, everything is bouncing up and down on the support line. Too bad. Okay, too late, but it's still a rate. Tomorrow is another day. There's always another day, another chance, another possibilities. We can't win all the time, but I hope we're not losing too often and winning more often. At the end of the year, happy. It's me, Jerry, again. And if you have been patient, like I was fighting by myself, and we finally got to the point that I've made some money. Obviously, that was a big fighting today, and I had no choice but to be on my own because it's too much the television and then clicking the numbers. So I've made some money, and it isn't that much, but what I did is I went into another two positions, and I get pretty much $44 at the beginning. Okay, I've lost here as you see, but I went two. That was the stop loss that I put on the two lots, and then another two lots. Anyway, that's how it is sometimes. Okay, like I wasn't patient enough over here. I put the stop loss a little bit too fast. Okay, at the end, $44, not a big deal. I usually hope for to get like $100, 150. But today was a fighting day. Ah, that was a fighting day, as you saw. Everything was going against my direction. Although I was pretty sure it would have been back because as far as we see on the chart, on the Forex Pro Analytics, it came back to the golden line. And now it's definitely going to be bouncing up and down. And what can I say? It's patience, and you have to be uh, pretty stubborn on what you do. So my fighting started here, like I was here, bouncing up and down. But my fighting started here, and too bad he gave me just few points that you know put me out of the position with a stop loss, and I would have been okay here. But in the end, what the heck? Like life goes on. We've got $40 in our pockets. That was like few hours, 3 hours. I wouldn't say fight. 3 hours of no action, and about half an hour, last half an hour with an action. Okay. So again, that's pretty much it. I'm not trading anymore, and whatever I've done is not so much. But on the other hand, at least I'm okay. And as you see, it will bounce back. So it's bouncing back, to the level that we started. Okay, so it was just a matter of being patient. All right. So as I'm saying, like that was a take profit. I closed this position on $400, and overall a little bit, that I've made. Okay. So thank you again for watching, and it's gonna be another day. Like we try not to leave the positions with the losses. Okay, so that's how we are trading here. Okay, all the best to you guys. I'll see you soon. I'll see you with the nice days and the fighting days, and not so nice days, but I'll be with you. Ciao.